Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Flex Rent on Your Schedule app works and how it helps renters manage their rent payments more flexibly. Flex allows renters to split their monthly rent into two payments, instead of paying a full lump sum at once. The first payment is due at the beginning of the month, and the second can be scheduled at a later date that works best for the renter, helping to better align rent payments with their income schedule. The app works by partnering with property managers and landlords who offer this flexible payment option to tenants. Renters can sign up through the app or their property's management platform and then choose their preferred payment dates within the allowed time frame. Flex provides a user-friendly interface where renters can track their payment schedule, receive reminders for upcoming payments, and make payments securely through the app. This helps avoid late fees and gives more control over budgeting monthly expenses. While Flex offers a helpful way to ease rent payment burdens, users should be aware of potential cons. Some renters may encounter service fees depending on their property management's policies. Also, this payment flexibility is only available if the landlord or property manager has partnered with Flex. Lastly, missing payments could still result in late fees or other penalties. Overall, Flex Rent on Your Schedule is a convenient solution for renters who want more flexibility in managing their rent payments. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.